Hello friends, and welcome to my kitchen. Once again, we're going to be making sausage, but this time we're making an Italian sausage. Okay, for this we'll also need 5 pounds of ground pork. We need some sea salt, garlic, dried parsley, black peppercorns, coriander seeds, and fennel seeds. And all the ingredients and measurements are going to be down below in the description. Okay, but now first I'm gonna grind the peppercorns, coriander seeds, and the fennel seeds. Okay, we'll put them on our grinder. And if you don't have a spice grinder, if you do not have a spice grinder, you can always use a coffee grinder, but just make sure you clean it with some bread. If you put a little bit of bread and grind it, it helps if you're using it for coffee because it will leave it smelly. Okay, so we have our meat. We're just gonna put our we put the salt, the garlic, and all the other ingredients. And now we mix. Sorry, but we have to get our hands in there and mix really, really well. Okay, I hope everyone is doing well with all this pandemic stuff going on. I hope you guys have toilet paper. I still have some. I'm not gonna tell you where I live, but I still have some toilet paper because, not because I thought about this, but I got it on sale. I had coupons, so I have enough toilet paper for now, at least. So anyway, this one we really have to mix really well, all the spices. And just like what, I don't know if you guys have watched any of the other videos, we made chorizo and breakfast sausage, and every time after we mix our sausage, we taste it, we cook it up, and we give it a taste, make sure that all the seasonings, that it tastes just like what we want, and then we make sure that it doesn't need anything else, and then we put it back in the refrigerator. We cover it up, we put it back in the refrigerator, and we let it sit overnight before we put it in baggies and freeze it. Okay friends, now we're done mixing it. Now we're going to cook a little bit so we can taste. I say a little bit, but I cannot just do very little because then my camera guy wants to taste, and so I have to cook just a tad more than a little bit. Let's see. You can really smell the garlic and all the other fennel, all the other spices. As you can see, I didn't put any grease or any oil before I put the sausage in. This should have enough fat in the sausage so that it's it doesn't need any more. And this sausage, you could just, you know what's really good with this? our next recipe, our next video should be making this sausage with bell peppers and the marinara sauce. That's one of the things that you can use the marinara sauce. There's another video that we have for marinara sauce that you can use that sauce for bell peppers and sausage. Ooh, it comes out really good. Really, really good. That could be another video that we do. Okay, this is cooked through, so we're gonna turn it off and get a plate and a fork and we'll give it a taste. Okay, and as you can see, there's plenty of fat. Didn't need any more. And now let's give it a taste. Very good, you guys. Very good. I hope that you guys decide to make this recipe that I'm sharing with you today. It's very good. I'm gonna leave it covered up, leave it in the refrigerator overnight so that we can the flavors can develop better. And then we'll put it in baggies and put it in the freezer. Now, in the freezer should last about 6 months. And like I said, with this recipe, you can make stuffed zucchini, sausage and bell peppers, and that would be so good. I hope you guys tried the recipe. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up. That will make my son really happy, and me too. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.